Why you?
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
I'm Mrs. Claus today.
Magical jacuzzi. Magical jacuzzi.
मेरे कपड़े भी हो है.
I'm trying to hold myself from going in there. I really want to go inside there. I'm not sure if it's allowed.
It is not. Be sure that it is not allowed. Thank you.
Papa, can I go down to play in that park? Please. Please,
अभी
please.
घुसे हैं, इसको पार्क में जाना है.
क्यों नहीं?
We have just entered the room. थोड़ा फील तो लेने दे मुझे.
पर मैं जाऊंगी ना.
मैं भी तो जाऊंगा, फिर अकेले कैसे भेज दूँ तुम?
आप तो लेके जाओगे ना. जा तो मैं रही हूँ.
मम्मा फिर
आज
लेके
क्या
जाएगी.
एक पार्ट मेरा निकाल के जा, तू छोड़ के.
छोड़ के नहीं आ, साथ रहे. छोड़ के आने वाली तो नहीं है हम.
नहीं मम्मा. मम्मा will stay there and you can have a feel.
Mama will stay there. Mama will stay there and you can have a feel. You listening now?
Now come.
Okay, चल रहे हैं, रुक जाओ.
क्यों? I want to go now. That's why I changed into my shoes just now.
Oh gosh, something has gone into her. आज मैं पूरी हो में. मेरे कपड़े भी हो है.
Ho ho ho.
So you are in ho 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 today. Ho ho ho.
I'm Mrs. Claus today.
Pretty Claus.
And we are.
We are. Come here. You are also we. You are a part of we. We are. Completed, Papa.
Sharma. अनु इधर तो अंदर वो चेयर भी नहीं है.
कौन सी चेयर? अरे मंगवा लेंगे चेयर. चलो.
This is ridiculous, yaar. Where's that chair? I love that chair.
Come out.
And you spoiled everything.
That's me.
Why you?
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Out.
चाय देनी थी ना तुमने?
बना लिए. निकलोगे तब ना.
Let's go.
Exactly that.
You are. I'm not going to
Pull up your pants.
अब मेरी चाय भी तुम उठाओगी क्या?
First tea at Hyatt Regency.
How does it taste?
Tastes like tea only.
Not a good one.
चलो out now. Shalom,
I don't like the taste.
take the keys. That's fine. You don't have to like everything.
Shut the door.
Yeah. Wait for me too. This is my tea. Made by me only.
No, made by Sam.
Oh, झूठा.
Spa services have been opened here.
No.
Yeah, she's getting spa. Don't you think?
No.
Yeah, I think so.
No. Today, it was the brunch, Christmas brunch.
I'm mostly the one who makes the bubbles. But there's a bubble making thing. And look at how much bubbles it's made. It's a bubble bed.
Okay.
Yeah.
Instead of a sea bed or normal bed, it's a bubble bed. You want
Actually-
more bubbles?
No, these are good enough.
Can I pop some?
Please.
That was our birthday. I'm not leaving.
ये बाथरूम में क्या है ये? हेलो? ये बाथरूम में क्या है ये?
Jacuzzi है.
नहीं वो तो ठीक है.
Magical jacuzzi है.
Magical jacuzzi. Magical jacuzzi. Magical जी magic. Magical jacuzzi.
Too much, too much, too much,
Oh gosh, I love it.
too much, Mama. Let me walk. It'll stop by itself. Too much.
चलो ये क्या कर रहे हो?
निकालने.
पापा,
हाँ जी.
कॉकटेल आर्ट्स के क्या प्लान है तुम्हारे? तुम तो ऐसे लेट गए हो, हमें तो भूख लगी.
What
What
is
ha-
this?
Oh.
This is not for you right now. Give it to me.
No.
Shalom. This is not done. Why did you check in my? You got it from my suitcase, right?
Yeah.
So why did you check in there?
I saw something blue. So
Okay, ठीक है. Sit down and open nicely at least. This is your Christmas gift. See.
this is called crazy
Oh
opening.
gosh.
Ooh.
Yeah, I did not remove it from that packing. Oh gosh. You need help?
Yes. Papa.
Go. Oh, got it.
Yeah, I think I got it. No, I don't got it. पापा
Yes?
अब आप ये खोलो.
क्यों?
खुल नहीं रहा.
अरे तो तुम खोल
Yeah,
लेना.
yeah.
लो खोलो. मदद
क्या है?
करो. टेप वेप.
Any guesses, Shalom?
I could see that it's slime.
गलत टाइम पे गैस पूछा है और गलत बंदे के हाथ में मैंने अपना सूटकेस दे दिया. इंतजार भी नहीं हुआ इससे.
क्यों नहीं होगा?
नहीं, क्यों नहीं होगा? कि क्यों होगा?
दूसरी कॉकटेल आर्ट से क्या प्लान है?
हाँ. और इसमें अपना-
शालूम, जब भी कभी मेरा वीडियो बनता है तो हमेशा बीच में आके पूछ जाती है, बोलने भी नहीं देती मुझे.
चलो बोलो.
कुछ नहीं बोलना मेरे को.
तो फिर मैं उसे देख के आती हूँ.
हाँ देखो देखो, गौर से देखो उसको. गौर से देखो इसको.
Oh gosh. Shalom, don't take this out right now, please. Please don't.
शालूम,
Shalom, stop it, stop it, stop it. Please stop it. Not now. You can do it later.
No.
Shalom.
She can play with her friends tomorrow.
Yeah, she can. But just put it inside now.
I'm just playing with it for now.
You wanted to eat, right?
Yeah, when we are going, you are still.
We'll go if you put it inside.
Listen to your mom.
We'll just go. ठीक है? Just put it inside. Yuck.
Jiggly slime.
I know.
Jiggly,
Ah.
jelly.
What is the name of this slime?
Poop slime. Funny poop. Super cool. Poopy slime. Unicorn poop slime, basically.
Gee, you're touching a poop.
It's just,
Unicorn poop.
just nothing.
Calling the room service in Hyatt Regency, as you can hear. They don't pick the phone.
They pick at their own
Pace.
yeah. They
don't-
take their own
yeah,
sweet
I'm
time.
surprised. There's no one picks the phone. You keep dialing,
Yeah.
and you have to wait for like I don't know for how long.
It's like BSNL. Or a bit better than BSNL because they would call back, right?
Yeah.
Do they?
Let's not name the brand. Forget it. Let's name Hyatt. नाम बड़े दर्शन छोटे. So हम लोग ने रूम तो इतना अच्छा ले लिया, सर्विसेज देखो
हाँ.
Or slime.
कितनी देर लगी थी शालूम हमको वो मंगाने के लिए. क्या?
Comb.
नहीं, not comb.
Not comb.
Fruit platter which has
नहीं,
not come
platter.
yet. Whatever the fruit.
In-house fruits. They
Yeah.
generally keep
We asked,
yeah,
right?
fruits for the guests. Now this guy is saying okay, sending और अभी तक कोई ऐसा पता नहीं है उसका.
It's been half an hour. I'm
Yeah.
sure.
And I have
ये
my
पूछ
slime.
लो. See. ये अपना अब अभी तक भूख लगी थी इसे, अब स्लाइम के बाद मुझे भूख लगी है, इसको नहीं.
मुझे भी भूख लगी है, पर जब हम जाएंगे तभी ये वापस जाएगा.
जब हम जाएंगे तभी हम खाएंगे. So see, ये live call चल रहा है. It's not that we are saying for the sake of saying. This is the live call and it's been more than 1 minute 37 seconds. Let's see.
Water slime.
फोन बज बज के बंद हो गया है.
फोन ही बंद हो गया.